Hey loves, welcome back. Come unbox with me. There are thousands of lip glosses in the market, but very few make it into my regular makeup routine year after year. I've been using Beauty by Joms lip gloss for the last 3 years, and today we are swatching all 13 shades, including their newly launched colors. I will be showing you the pigmentation, shine, and how they look on dark skin, my favorite shades, and whether these glosses are actually worth your money. Trust me, some of these shades are absolutely stunning, so let's get into it. Hello beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Mamus Ate, a makeup artist and a YouTuber based in Warri, Delta State, Nigeria. Today's video is all about lip gloss from Beauty by Joms. Unbox with me, okay? If you have been watching my content for a while, then you probably know how much I love a good lip gloss. And when it comes to lip glosses that I consistently reached for, Beauty by Joms has been one of my favorites for the past 3 years. Recently, they expanded their collections by launching 3 additional shades, bringing the collection to a total of 13 glosses. So today, I will be swatching all 13 shades, sharing my thoughts and helping you decide which shade might work best for you. Let's get started. First of all, let's talk about packaging. One thing I appreciate about this collection is how neat, professional the packaging looks. Everything feels well put together and easy to identify. Now moving to the formula, because that's what really matters. One of the reasons I have continued using their lip glosses for years is because they give a beautiful shine without feeling heavy or uncomfortable on the lips. Nobody wants a gloss that feels sticky all day. Check out this lip gloss. Don't you love what I just did? These feel really comfortable and lightweight while still delivering that glossy finish we all love. As I start swatching these shades, pay attention to how each one performs, because they all have their own personality. Some shades are perfect for every day, like this one, while some are ideal for soft glam look and some are absolutely made for full glam moments. What I love most is the versatility. Check out this particular gloss. Whether you are going to work or to church or to brunch or a wedding, date night, or simply running errands, there is a shade that fits the occasion. Now let's talk about pigmentation. One thing that surprised me when I first started using these lip glosses years ago was the color payoff. Are you seeing this color? A lot of glosses look beautiful in the tube but disappear once applied. See how I did not need or have to apply lipstick or matte lip stain. This lip gloss is highly pigmented and you can see the shine. Guys, don't you love what you are saying? These lip glosses actually show up on the lips. You still get the shine and glossy effect, but you also get visible color. That's a huge plus for me, okay? As we continue through the swatches, you can see how some shades enhances the natural lips color, while others completely transform the look, like this one. This particular lip gloss is called Hot Chocolate and is one of my favorites. It's time to use double lip glosses. I love the fact that this brand, you can actually pair 2 lip gloss instead of you lining your lip. If you are a lover of lip liner, then you will absolutely love this particular shade from the Beauty by Joms. I applied this one first and then you see the combo. I had to now come back and add this pink to it, and it was so beautiful, guys. I love like I especially love products that work well across different skin tone. And because I have dark skin, I always pay attention to whether a gloss complements deeper complexion. These shades do a very beautiful job of adding warmth, richness and dimension to the lips. See this combo. Clock it. Beauty by Joms cooked and I ate all of it. Moving to the next, man, I love this. See, I can already see myself reaching for this regularly. This particular shade. See how it look like my natural lip. This is the kind of lip gloss I would wear anytime, any day. If you are someone who enjoy mixing shades together, you will really love this collection even more. And many of these glosses pair beautifully together, okay? But this one now you can see is pairing alone, and I can even use this for a bride because it can pair with other lip gloss. This is one of those lip gloss that you can pair. See now, I'm adding a darker color to it, okay? So many of these lip glosses pair beautifully together, and you can create custom lip combination depending on the look you are going for. Sometimes my favorite lip look come from layering 2 or 3 lip glosses together, just what I'm doing now, okay? As you can see, I'm adding this to the pink. Another thing worth mentioning is how these glosses instantly elevate a makeup look. Even the simplest makeup can look polished and complete with the right lip product. Of course, I had to wipe off this particular one onto the next. I love this one. See, a beautiful lip gloss adds freshness, dimension, and a healthy looking finish to the lips. I love browns that stretch themselves and that are also very thoughtful, because this brown Beauty by Joms, this lip gloss is one of those lip gloss you can actually wear alone without a lip liner. Are you feeling this lip gloss, or is it just me? Are you feeling it? Are you feeling it? Make sure to leave a comment below and tell me the one you would try first, because man, all of these lip glosses are just so beautiful. They are too gorgeous to ignore, and you can see that the pigment is lit, is shiny, is not just pigmented, is a lip plumber, okay? Because not all lip gloss give you this effect. Some lip gloss, in fact, before you even smack your lip, it has already disappeared. Now this is another perfect combo, and this combo, trust me, if you're a makeup artist, a professional makeup artist, or you are a beginner, or you are a bride that is getting married soon and you want to make up yourself, trust me, these two combo is lit, because man, even the simplest makeup can look polished and complete with the right lip products. And a beautiful gloss add freshness, dimension, and a healthy looking finish to the lips. What are we not saying? Look at these lips. Just look at these lips. And then I went in to use their clear gloss. This is the clear gloss for those of you that don't like color. Guys, as we near the end of the swatches, I'd love to know which shade is your favorite. Honestly, there are so many beautiful options in this collection. Overall, after using Beauty by Joms lip glosses for 3 years, I can confidently say they have earned their place in my makeup collection. The formula is comfortable, the shine is beautiful, the pigmentation is impressive, and now with this 13th shade available, there's even more variety to choose from. If you are looking for a lip gloss that combine comfort, color, and shine, these are definitely worth checking out. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoy it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notification so you never miss future beauty reviews, makeup tutorials, and product recommendation. Once again, look at my lips. Just look at those gorgeous, sumptuous, beautiful, sexy lips. Oh God. See, go and get yours. I had to just swatch all 13 shades on my hand, and I'm loving it all over again. Hi guys, we've come to the end of today's video. If you've watched this video till now, let me know your favorite part of today's video, okay? This isn't just a lip gloss, it's a confidence booster, and trust me guys, everybody needs one of these lip gloss in their makeup collection. Okay, and Beauty by Joms launched 13 beautiful shades. Okay, from light skin to dark skin to your melanin skin, there's always a shade here for you. And you can see how pigmented all of the products were on my lips. I did not need to add any lip stain or lipstick. I just went straight into this Beauty by Joms lip gloss and it was amazing. Okay, please do well to go to their website at Beauty by Joms and follow them on Instagram, Beauty by Joms. It's very easy to apply, whether you're a makeup artist or even a beginner or not a makeup artist, but trust me, this is one of those lip plumber every lady out there, everybody needs in their makeup collection. If you watch this video till now, please do well to subscribe. Or have you not subscribed? Why have you not subscribed? To subscribe is free. You have to just subscribe. Do well to like, share and comment on this video, your favorite part of this video. Okay, I'll see you all in my next video. Until then, stay blessed, be happy, smile often, and bye guys. Mwah.